Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enable vehicle motion cues on iPhone. Alright, as you can see here, I already have added this to the control center, but don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to do so later. Alright, first up, go ahead and open up your settings app, then scroll down a bit until you see the accessibility tab. Alright, just go ahead and tap on that. Now in here, you should be able to see motion. Alright, just tap on that. And as you can see here, there's an option, show vehicle motion cues. If it's turned off for you, just go ahead and tap on that to be able to select on or automatic. All right. You can play with it later, but for now, for this example, I'm just going to turn it on just for you to see what it does. All right. When I turn it on, you should be able to see some lines right here or dots at the corner of your screen. All right. Now, another tip here, just go to your control center to add this to your control center. All right, as you can see here, I have two. All right. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap and hold on the blank space. All right, and delete these two right here. And again, tap on the add a control button. Now in here, just scroll down, or scroll way down until you see the motion cues. All right, vehicle motion cues right here at the left. Tap on that to add that to your control center for you to be able to easily use it later. That's basically it. I hope this video helps some, please. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.